Right?
And you have to like our video if you like it. You have to thumbs up our video and you have to ring the bell to go.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's episode we're gonna make another balloon and it's gonna be a number balloon bouquet, number 18. And we have a special guest here. It's Carson. And his brother is one of the cameramen and the light man with mommy, right? Okay, so are you excited for this episode?
Yeah.
Alright, tell them.
Okay guys, my name is Carson and I work to my work and I have a car like that.
Wow, look at that.
Okay guys, this is the material.
The materials are 260Q chrome balloons, and we have some chrome balloons here. This is 11 inches. Okay, so now let's start. So this is 11 inch, and we will inflate this to 9 inch. Alright, that's a DIY balloon sizer.
Hello.
So this is the balloon sizer.
Hello.
So it fits perfect right there.
Okay, now Daddy,
Hold this please. Okay. Five of that. Let's make 5 of that now. How many balloons do we have?
1, 2, 3.
So now guys, we'll have to attach them together. So it doesn't really have to be any color. It doesn't have to be, it doesn't have to match. So just any color, attach them like that. You can have another color, please. Any balloon. You can have more balloons, please. So I'm gonna attach that together like that. So there's some plaster right here.
I want to be a robot.
Can I have the balloons,
Go
please?
please, blue, blue.
We have no
So just
more.
attach it here. So basically you just make some clusters of balloons so it doesn't matter how many. Just put them all like that. Okay. Alright, so guys, we'll attach them together. So I'm just gonna use the extra tip of the balloon here. Okay. Connect it to the other side. So just tie them all together. So there, it's connected right here.
How many me? Come on, Will.
And then another cluster of balloon here. Since it's hard to connect like that because it's not that long, I can just use another blue balloon here. Like that 260Q. Tie it here. And then I will connect it here. Okay. Okay, so guys, it's very important to use the balloon weight. So we'll put this on the bottom now, or anywhere, and just like attach them here. There you go. So there's the base. Okay. There it is, guys. So now I will put this on the side for now, and we will inflate the number balloon. There's our 18 right now. And yeah, it's too like that. So we'll attach this together. So guys, this time we're gonna use the 260Q. We'll use this as a belt to attach them or connect them together. Okay. Yeah, that should be enough. So I need two to do this. So attach it like that.
One is higher.
No, number 8 is higher.
Oh, is that?
One is lower.
Oh, okay.
Okay. For now, I have a pop balloon here. I'm gonna put this here for now, just to hold them in place. So I won't be having a hard time. Just so it'll stay in place. Okay. So now I'm gonna put one in the middle, and that would be blue. Extra right here. it's not enough. Alright guys, so the other one is not enough, so I'm gonna add another one right here, and then we'll splice it together. Alright, so guys, I made another one here because as you know, the other one is not that long. It's not long enough to wrap the whole thing. Okay, so I will splice them all up together.
Connect mo.
Yeah, connect them. Alright, so guys, I spliced them all together, so there's a total of 2 balloons here. So let's see if this is enough to wrap around between the 2 number balloons. Very good. Now we'll just connect this 2 together. Like that for now. Now guys, we'll secure this together with the balloon tape or glue. So it'll be securely attached. Guys, now this is what it looks like, and I attached them together with glue to securely connect it together so it's not gonna be wobbly. Okay. So I have some flowers here that are pre-made. We'll just attach this here. So since this is gold, it won't be good to put another gold, so we will just put silver so it really pop the color. Okay guys, so this is also another pre-made earlier that I separately made. I will make a separate video for this, and please watch for that, and I will just attach this here. Okay, there's an extra balloon right here, 160Q or the 260Q. Now basically we'll put this here, but I will attach this later at the venue or the party house, okay? Because it's not gonna fit in the car. So, but eventually it'll be end up here. So I'll tape them together. So for now, I'm just gonna pretend that is connected there, and then I will attach this. Right here. So this one I will attach this now. And then we'll attach this.
After I made the video last night, I finished the whole number balloon bouquet. I added this just to add some additional look on the top because it's kind of plain on the number balloon. So I made this, and I'll show you guys how to make this in a separate video. It's really simple and easy, but it'll add the look on your balloon. So I'll put this on top of the number 18 or number 1, I should say.
Okay,
guys, here's the final look of our balloon. Hope you like it.
Alright, here you go guys, it's all done and hope you guys like it. And if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe.
And you have to like our video if you like it. You have to thumbs up our video and you have to ring the bell to go. If you like it, just get a thumbs up for our video. So bye bye.
Bye, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.